Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will be unboxing this ergonomic office chair from Flexispot. In this video, I will be unboxing this ergonomic office chair, show to you the step-by-step assembly and if it's easy to assemble by yourself, and show the different features of this chair and what I think about it. So if you're interested in today's unboxing video, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started. So if you're not familiar with the brand Flexispot, it's a company that sells office furniture and accessories that are ergonomic and durable. So I have the desk riser from Flexispot that I've been using for work, and I really like their products, so I want to check out how their chairs are, and it seems very durable, and also I've been looking for a comfortable ergonomic chair for my home office. Okay, so this chair came in one box and it's not very heavy, but I think you still need a person to help you assist in carrying this. Okay, so those are the parts of the chair, and now let's move on to the assembly. And they have a manual for the instructions, and there's 5 steps for the chair assembly. Okay, so first step is installing armrest to seat cushion. Connect the armrest to the seat cushion using 6 screws and M4 wrench. So it actually says left and right in the armrest, so you won't get confused. So this has the letter L. Second step is installing mechanism to seat cushion. Connect the mechanism to the seat cushion using 4 P screws and M4 wrench. Third step is attaching backrest to mechanism. Connect the backrest to the mechanism using 3-piece screw, 3-piece gasket, 3-piece flat washer. Then next is attaching the wheels onto the base. Then let's move on to the 4th step, which is installing the chair body on the base. Before assembly, take out the gas lift cover first from the gas lift, and then attach the gas lift to the seat and onto the base. So let's put the chair up now so we can move on to the next step, which is installing the headrest. Install the 2-piece screw on the headrest, and install the headrest on the backrest directly. Okay, so I'm done assembling this chair. It wasn't really so hard because there's a manual to guide you step by step through the process, and they also provided everything that you need, from the screws to the screwdrivers, and it took me, I think, less than an hour to assemble this one all by myself. So I think if you are not very handy, I think you can still, as long as you know how to follow instructions, I think you can still assemble this one by yourself. Okay, so let us check out this chair now. I like that they use mesh material in here. It makes the chair more breathable. I'm really not a big fan of like leather chairs, like the other office and gaming chairs. So I think I really like when it's mesh just like this. Here is the headrest. I really like when chairs have a headrest, of course, for comfort. And the materials seem very durable to me, so I really hope that this chair would last. These are the arms. So the armrests are adjustable, so you can move it up and down depending on how you want it. They are also very easy to adjust. You can also move them forward and backward, and tilt it in 3 different positions. And this thing, like the back support, is also adjustable, so you can adjust it based on how you want the backrest to feel like, so you can move it up and down. Okay, so these are the wheels, so let's see. So far, it's on carpet and it's not hard to move it around. I also like how the backrest is wider than other office chairs, because I've seen office chairs like this which are more narrow. So I like this, that it's wider than the other chairs, because for me it's more comfortable with more like back support. Also, this chair is heavy duty and it can hold up to 500 pounds according to their website. You can also adjust the backrest tiltment from 90 degrees to 128 degrees. Okay, so the headrest is also adjustable. You can raise it just like this. It also depends on your height, but it is adjustable. I actually really like this chair. It's very comfortable. I love the mesh material and it has really good back support. So I think I'm really gonna be comfortable using this chair when I'm gaming and also when I'm editing videos. So overall, I think this is such a good upgrade for an office chair if you don't have an ergonomic chair yet. And if you want something that's really comfortable and also great quality, not too expensive, has a headrest and is adjustable for your comfort, you can check out this chair from Flexispot. I'm liking this product so far, and I also like their other products as well. So if you want to check out this chair from Flexispot, I'm gonna put the link in the description down below so you can check it out, and also let me know in the comment section below what you think of this chair. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Thank you so much.